Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pin a message on Messenger, right? So first of all we will go into the Messenger mobile application here, and let's say if I want to just send message here, hi, okay, sorry, that is wrong spelling, how are you, right? So just let me send it, and if I want to pin this message, so how I can do it, right? So just let me tell you, there is no feature at all in this messenger, but I have a trick for you guys that you can easily pin and you can tag everyone and everyone will get notification regarding this, right? So if I want to pin this message, so I will just I will reply to this, and I will just add everyone, okay? And in this way, if you're using a group and there is a lot of message coming out, and if you'll just type add everyone, and after that you have to send, so after that you can see that it will turn into blue and it will get tag everyone, so it will send notification to each and everyone whether there's a lot of message or not, and after that you can send or you can pin this message, so everybody will come to know about that why you have done this, right? So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.